If you want to create a monetizable TikTok account from an ineligible country, you're in the right video. Stay tuned. Alright, personally, original King JD, I thought about various puzzles, but I'm into crypto, YouTube monetization, TikTok, you get like all the likes. Looking forward to make money and to grow yourself as a person. I recommend you to like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell, guys. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay, this is the part that people gets really wrong. Is at this section. This part that shows Nigeria, NG in this case. Sorry. This part that shows NG, you click on it. Okay, the country is showing Nigeria because this is my current location. So you search for an eligible country, which could be United Kingdom, United States, anyone you want to say, but I'll probably click United States because it's working better for me. And there are more content creators there than United Kingdom, showing that they are more into content than the average United Kingdom. That's just an estimate to me, but you can choose any country which you want. So you click on continue with email. Let's always create a new email beforehand. You get me? Okay, so for this tutorial, I'll use Viral Lens, one of the new Gmail address I just created. So I'll use Viral Lens 01 at Gmail. Reason being that this is the account, a new account I want to set up. So okay, wait, then I will create a new password. Okay, so having set up the password, then I'll tap next. For birth dates. Remember, the birth date you put in must be above 18 years old. So I'll just input any random dates. Let me say 15th. April goes well. Then I'll just put in probably 2000. Yeah. The next. Don't skip the video yet, because there's one final step you need to go through at the end, and if you not go through that step, all our efforts may have been in vain. I'll get it right itself. So add your nickname based on the channel I want to provide me for this viral stuff. So I call it Viral Lens, then I'll name it Viral Lens. And again, if this is the type of video you want to keep watching on your feed, remember to like, subscribe, and most especially subscribe to this channel to go a long way. And that recapture. Do anyway, this test for bots, confirm. Our US channel is all set up. So don't leave yet. Don't leave here. There's this final verification you guys must do before you leave. Okay, in order to check whether this is actually a US account, you need to go to TikTok studio. You check the balance. And your balance must show in US dollars. So as you can see, my balance is in US dollars. Just right here. Okay, let's do something for those who remain to the end. Write down TikTok monetization, then write down the name of your channel so that those who watch to the end will follow your page, so we can reach the aim, which is 10,000 followers and 10,000 watch views in 30 days. Okay, that's all, Kings. Keep grinding.